Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the exciting world of watches. In this video, we'll be taking a close look at the CASIO G-SHOCK DW-5610Y-9, a limited edition timepiece that's sure to catch your attention. Get ready to unbox the watch with us, discover what's inside the box, and dive into the stunning features and specifications that make this watch a standout in the G-SHOCK collection. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. As we open the product box, we're greeted by the vibrant presence of this CASIO G-SHOCK. The striking yellow case and matching strap immediately capture our attention, signaling that this timepiece is not just an ordinary watch. The yellow color adds a sense of energy and style, making a bold statement on your wrist. Made with a durable polymer material, both the strap and the case of this CASIO G-SHOCK are built to withstand the test of time. The polymer strap offers a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring that the watch stays in place during your active pursuits. The polymer case not only enhances the watch's durability but also provides protection for its inner mechanisms, making it resistant to shocks and impacts. Featuring a scratch-resistant mineral glass, this CASIO G-SHOCK ensures that your watch remains clear and free from unsightly scratches. This means that you can confidently wear it in various environments without worrying about damaging the dial. Its robust build and high-quality materials ensure that it can handle the demands of your daily adventures. Let's now dive into the impressive specifications and features of this CASIO G-SHOCK. With its world time functionality, you can effortlessly keep track of time in multiple time zones, making it a perfect companion for frequent travelers. The automatic calendar feature ensures that you never miss important dates or appointments, while the built-in chronometer and countdown timer provide precise timing for your various activities. One of the features of this CASIO G-SHOCK is its electroluminescent backlight, which illuminates the entire display with a captivating glow. Whether you find yourself in dimly lit environments or need to check the time at night, this backlight ensures exceptional visibility, allowing you to read the dial with ease. Water resistance is another notable aspect of this CASIO G-SHOCK, rated up to 20 bar. This means that you can confidently wear it while swimming, snorkeling, or engaging in water sports, knowing that it is designed to withstand water pressure and keep up with your active lifestyle. In summary, this CASIO G-SHOCK is a limited edition timepiece that combines style, durability, and functionality. Its vibrant yellow case and strap make a bold fashion statement, while the robust construction ensures exceptional resilience. With features such as world time, automatic calendar, chronometer, countdown timer, electroluminescent backlight, and water resistance, this watch is designed to enhance your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through this CASIO G-SHOCK. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more captivating watch content. We look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you soon.